Okay, good day everyone. So today we'll have the explanation for our practice test. That would be good as your study guide for tomorrow's unit test. So you have this paper already that was given to you during the class. Now let me explain again on how did we have these or the solutions, the answers. Okay. So first we have number one, the graph of g of x is equal to ax squared opens downward. So it means if it's opening downward, that would give our a as a negative 1 and is narrower. That means if our absolute value of a is greater than 1, that is narrower. So which of the following could be the value of a? So it means our a should be negative and absolute value of it is greater than 1. So it should be negative, so this answer, these choices are not included because we are looking for a negative number. A and B, which of the following absolute value would make it greater than 1? Obviously, the answer here is A. Number 2. Which statements about the graphs of functions g of x is equal to negative 1/4 x greater than x, x to the power of 2 are true. Select all that applies. So that means that it does not limit you to one answer only. So let's focus on our A. Our A here is negative 1/4, and here we have invisible 1 in there. So absolute value of negative 1/4 is 1/4, and that would give us what? Less than 1. So absolute value of A is less than 1. It becomes wider. So that means this g of x is wider than x. So A is one of the answers. B. How about for B? B, it says there, F and G open in the same direction. Now, how are we going to know again of the same direction? I mean, the direction of the parabola, it means that it should be having the same sign. So say, for example, here, our A here is negative and our A here is positive. So if our A here is negative, that means it's opening downward, and if it's positive, it's opening upward. So they don't have the same direction. Next, C, F and G have the same vertex. Okay? How about if they have the same vertex? You have there, here it's x minus 0. So therefore, here is 1 where the 0. So that's in here. I mean, is that an answer? One of the answers? Yes, they have the same vertex of 0, 0. Now, F and G have the same axis of symmetry. Again, the axis of symmetry is our h. So they have the same value of h, it's 0. So D is also one of its answers. So number 2, the answers there are A, C, and D. Next, number 3. What is the vertex of the graph function 2x minus 2 squared to the quantity of x minus 2 squared plus 3? So again, let's have the vertex form that is x minus squared plus k. So what is our vertex is a k. That means the vertex there is let's find h. What is the h? H is 2. Okay. Therefore, our vertex is 3. Next, what is number 4? What is the axis of symmetry for the function y is equal to the quantity of x minus 3 power 2 plus 5. So again, so how do we know the axis of symmetry? It's in the vertex form. X is equal to h. And what is our h here? X minus h plus k. What is our h? It's 3. So the answer there is 3. Next, number 5, identify the vertex of the graph of the function, this one, so that would give us here. Always can remember that f of x, that is x minus 2. Okay, wait. Your vertex form is y is equal to x minus h squared plus k. So therefore, our a is 1. What's our x? It's positive 2. So minus 2 squared plus 3. That way, that would give us x, and negative times negative, that is squared, positive times x, 3. So it goes up there. So what is our h? The h, that is, our h there is negative 2. K is 3. Therefore, our vertex is negative 2, negative 3. Next, number 6. The graph of h is a translation of 4 units right and 1 unit down. Write the function in vertex form. So we have there 4 units right, that means plus 4. 1 unit down, that is 1. That is our h is equal to that 1, and our k is equal to 1. And for our y is equal to x minus h plus k, that is again x minus, what is our h? Positive 4. Plus what is our k? It's negative 1. Let's simplify that one. That would give us x minus 4 squared minus 1. That is 7 plus 9. Next, number 7. What is the axis of symmetry of the graph of the function? So, find the axis of symmetry again. That is x equal to a over 8. We have here negative b over 2a. So what is our b here? It's 8. So the opposite of 8 is 8, and 2. So our a is 2. Have their negative 8 over 4. And negative 8 over 4, that is 0. Therefore, that would give us negative 2. Next question. The graph, okay, it's the same thing as what we had earlier. The graph of f of x is equal to ax squared opens upwards. Positive. A should be positive. And narrower, it means absolute value of A is greater than 1. So we're looking for positive numbers, so not included. But it says here, absolute value of A is greater than 1, which is the following is greater than 1 if it's inside of absolute value. Therefore, our answer is D. How about here? Which statement about the graphs of functions g of x is equal to 3 over 2 the quantity of x minus 1 squared, and f of x is equal to x squared is true. So what is this one is 1.5, which is greater than 1. Absolute value of 1.5 is greater than 1. That means it's narrower, right? So this one is not correct. How about G and F? G and F open in the same direction. What's their A? A here is positive. A here is. So since the A's there are both positive, those will be opening in the same direction, which is upward, facing upward. Answer here is B. And for the vertex, they don't have the same vertex. 0, 0. The same, it does not have the same axis of symmetry. Next question. Again, what is the vertex of the graph of the function f of x is equal to x plus minus 3? That would be what? That would be, and that is f of x is equal to x minus h squared plus k. What is our h? That is, that's positive there. Here it should be negative. So negative times negative. K is positive and negative. Negative 3. Next, what is the axis of symmetry of the graph of the function? Again, look at h, and that will give us x is equal to 1. Here again, find the vertex. Identify the vertex. Okay, don't mind the y-intercept. The graph of f of x is equal to negative x plus 2 squared plus 3. That would give us, look at here, the vertex. Always remember again and again that is in the form of x minus h squared plus k. So therefore, that should be x minus 2 squared plus 3. So therefore, our h is negative 2 power k plus. Last question. The graph of h is the graph of f of x is equal to x squared translated 2 units left. Alright, so that's negative 2. 5 units up. So we have there f of x is equal to x minus h squared plus k. This is our h. This is our k. So we have there x minus, what is our h again? It's negative. Negative 2 squared plus 5. So you have there our h. Simplify that one, negative times negative, that becomes positive. Squared plus 5. Therefore, our answer here is 8. All right, that's all for your study guide today. Good luck on your test tomorrow.